गोवा न्यूज नाव फ्रेंड्स ऑफ लेटली खूपशे चर्चा झालेले असा इन वेलसाव विलेज विथ रिगार्ड्स टू पॉल्युशन फ्रॉम वन नियर बाय फॅक्टरी आणि खूपशे चर्चान आम्ही जे नाव ऐकला ते असा ते ऑलोन्सियो सिमॉइस ही बिंग दी युनियन लीडर देर तेजेरी आरोप असा की तो उगी असा तो उलयना काय आणि दुसऱ्याक फुडें काडटा. सो आयज आमच्या वांगडा असा कोर्तालेम कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचे काँग्रेस लीडर plus union leader Olense Simaibab. Olense Simaibab, do you agree with all these allegations against you?
See, it is easy to talk but difficult to do. First thing I might say, हांव पयलो हॅपी आसा कित्याक ॲटलिस्ट इशू मुखार गेलोलो आसा. आतां कितें वायल्ड एलिगेशन करपाक सोंपें, काम करपाक डिफिकल्ट. With respect to the मुद्दो of pollution in Velsav, for the last decades together, we GRE has been fighting for to stop pollution. I remember myself in 2018 when we told that there is pollution zada. We called the pollution board. Pollution board even inspection केले, samples घेतले, सगळे घेतले. पण unfortunately त्यांना त्या भाशेन काम जाऊना. पण आता म्हाका दिसता की कितें तरी चेंजेस जातले. We have also got some assurance from the government side, from the company side, that they will take the necessary action. So if this action is not being taken or not being initiated, then definitely we will again raise this issue. Now, not talking on the issue is not true, because our union has already spoke, and I also have made a statement. So there is no question of not speaking.
सो जे एलिगेशन असा की तू उगी असा किती तरी तुझं बेनिफिट असा यू
See, this kind of statement is just to create politics, and I know who is backing them. So it's okay. You can make whatever statement you want. Our work is to work on the ground. I have been working for the last 12 years, and I'm continuing working. There is no question of me stopping.
ओलंसे बाब एक ते जीआरई चे एलिगेशन तेंचेरी आयले, तेंचे जे प्रेसिडेंट असा तेंचेरी आयले. एव्हरीथिंग इज को रिलेटेड विथ पाईप that is there, and लोग असे आरोप करता की that pipe is discharging the all pollution into the sea. तुका किती दिसता पयली?
No, see what has happened. That pipe was not constructed now. It was constructed at the existence of the company. So at that time, I remember the fishermen had gone and blocked the mouth of the pipe. It was much deep. Then it was much deep into the sea, and they had blocked the nose of the pipe because that pipe was destroying their nets. That was the initial thing, and obviously some kind of pollution was discharged. But now the issue is simple. There is no need of making politics. The issue is that we don't want pollution. Let's focus on pollution rather politics. पण हिंगा कितें जाला, हिंगा पॉलिटिक्स जाला. जेन्ना जेन्ना पळय गांवचे लोक इशूचेर उलोवपाक सोदता, इशू डायवर्ट करपाची स्ट्रॅटेजी केलेलो आसा. Be it double tracking issue or be it this issue. आता पळय शेतकाराचे शेतां बुडून आयज काबार जालेले आसा. कोर्ताली शेतकार शेत रोयना, हेजेर कोण उलयना. पोल्युशन पळय जात, पोल्युशन पळय वयर सकयल ते आतां शेतांनी देंवता तेजेर उलोवया मरे. इशू सॉल्व करपाक उलोवया. पण जेन्ना गांवचे लोक जेन्युइन लोक भायर येता इशू सॉल्व करपाक, तांकां फोडपाचें नाल्यार तांकां डायवर्ट करपाचें नाल्यार पॉलिटिक्स करपाचें तुमची स्ट्रॅटेजी हें रॉंग आसा. आय एम विलिंग टू वर्क विथ एनीबडी ऑन इशू बेस्ड, बी इट द MLA or be it this government. If issue is solved, I'm happy. Whether the MLA solves it or whoever solves it, I don't care. But issue should be solved.
तर तुका दिसता की इथून चढ पॉलिटिक्स आणि इशू सॉल्युशन कमी?
Absolutely, it is very clear. Making wild allegation, talking against the president, that is not right. Our president has been working tirelessly for more than.
Whom you are talking about?
I'm talking about President Agnel Rodriguez. For the last 30 years, he has gone in jail for more than 16 occasions for the fishing community of Goa. So you have to have some kind of respect for a person, such an elderly person, before making allegations. And if allegations have been made, you go to the proper forum, give complaint, then make allegation, not just in air, just because someone has told you now.
पण हे सगळे हितून तुका दिसना की गांव डिवाइड जाल्लो आसा. वेलसाव जो एक युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन आसलेले ते खंय तरी मिसिंग जालेले आसा.
ना तेच म्हणटा, तेका लागून हांव म्हणटा की हे इशूचेर उलोवया, डायवर्ट करचे न्हू. इशूचेर उलय. इशू कितें करपाचें, कशें वचपाचें मुखार तें करा. डायवर्ट करून इश्यू फोडपाचो स्ट्रॅटेजी केलेलो आसा पण ते आमी वी आर व्हेरी फर्म आर इश्यू इज द पोल्युशन शूड बी स्टॉप द फाईट इज गोइंग ऑन फॉर डेकेड्स अँड वी विल ब्रिंग इट टू अ लॉजिकल कन्क्लुजन.
तू मानता की पॉल्युशन असा?
एब्सोल्युटली पोल्युशन आसा ना म्हण कशें म्हणपाक शकता. पोल्युशन इज गोइंग ऑन फॉर सेव्हरल इयर्स सो वी हॅव टू सॉल्व दिस इश्यू.
पण ते युनियनचे मेंबर आयले त्यांच्यानी म्हणले की पॉल्युशनूच ना जाय जाल्यार रुकजीन मेमेले सगळ्यांनी पळोवपा जाय.
See, the issue is now in terms of I talk about our workers in Zuari. Any worker will feel threatened if their company is going to be shut down. That is their livelihood. That is their pot. For the last 30 years, they have been working there, and without this company, they are nowhere because they are migrant. I Zuari Nagar Zala because of Zuari industry. So they will generally speak. And म्हाका दिसता तेंच्यांनी कितें म्हणला की मुद्दो आसा पोल्युशन आसा योवान उलय म्हणटा ते तितून कितें रॉंग म्हणलें आसा. सो म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव टू टेक एवरीथिंग इन द पॉझिटिव्ह वे. मुद्दो आसा पोल्युशन. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पोल्युशन अँड लेट्स सॉल्व द पोल्युशन बट लेट अस नॉट ऑल्सो डिस्ट्रॉय एनीबॉडी लायव्हलीहूड.
आणि ह्यो तो जुवारी इंडस्ट्रीचो जो आता इतले आमी आयकता तुम्ही मॅनेजमेंटाक वळखता आसतले नो डाऊट बिकॉज यू आर अ युनियन लीडर देर. नॉट अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम जुवारी इंडस्ट्रीज दॅट या दे आर नॉट फॉल्टी और कितें तुका दिसना की तेंच्यांनी स्टेटमेंट दिवपाक जाय आसलें आता तरी?
Oh, they should. That is their prerogative. I cannot tell them.
Yeah.
They should issue a statement that what work they have done, how come they.
या मिटिगेशन मेजर्स जर घेतला जाल्यार
घेतला जाल्यार. So म्हाका खबर आसा की थोडे काम तरी चालू आसा through our workers. I got to know that some work is already going on, which was never been done in the past. So as for now, let us wait and watch.
एक आणि एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन माझे तुझ्याकडे असा की वी हॅव सीन मॉडर्नायझेशन कंपनी जे खूपशे न्यू कंपनीज येता ते मॉडर्नायझेशनाचेर बेसीचेर असता. यु नो इफ एनी पॉल्युशन इज देयर दे नो हाऊ टू टॅकल इट भायले कंट्रीन. हांगा हे जुवारी नगर तुका दिसता मॉडर्नायझेशन खंय तरी बॅकडोर हा?
See, the problem is what the Goa Pollution Board is a board which is instead of stopping pollution, they are main agents to increase pollution. Kirak, as pollution is such a serious issue. As 1 ton carbon dioxide arrest korpak, we need 63 full grown trees. As pollution, global warming zata, they म्हणta let us use EV cars. Let us scrap 15-year-old cars or 10-year-old cars. This is not a solution. Solution is to reduce pollution. So pollution पर generate जातात चड by industries पय ते चड pollution करतात. And म्हाका दिसता pollution boardan should have an holistic plan and see that all the industries in Goa reduce pollution in a drastic manner by modernization or by bringing immediate measures.
जस्ट नाव तेजे पयलीं तू उलयतालो तेन्ना आमकां सांगतालो की नो एनवायरमेंट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आतांय जे आमी पळयता ते सगळे लोक हांगा जमलेले आसा दे आर ट्रायंग टू डू सम बिट ऑफ एफर्ट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट द एनवायरमेंट. एनवायरमेंट कितलो इम्पॉर्टंट आयच्या दिसाक वी हॅव सीन लेटली?
Absolutely, environment. Nobody can doubt that environment is one of the first topic which government should study. Even in the budget, if you see, there is nothing towards allocated towards environment. आम्ही पोस्ट रेमेडी करता. आम्ही सायक्लोन शेल्टर बांधल्या, एक सांकवाळ, एक कुयेली बांधल्या. पूण हे अपघात पळय जातलो, सायक्लोन जातलो, फ्लडिंग जातलो, तेका बंद करपाक सरकारान केला कितें? कांयच करूना. सो म्हाका दिसता सरकारान should take all the NGOs, all the concerned people who are affected and work a solution to stop pollution. Because I remember in country like Ireland, they have made an NGO head as an environment minister. So it's high time government takes environment on top priority before we face huge brunt of the nature.
And lastly, तू लोक जे आरोप करताले त्यांचे एक आरोप आले की ना ऑलेन्सियो इज युनियन लीडर तेकाय कितें बेनिफिट आसा तो आमचे गांवाचे खातीर जावं ते ब्रिज जावं ते बाकीचे आनी कितें कितें डेव्हलपमेंट केला जुवारीन केला थ्रू एलोन्सियो तेका बेनिफिट आसा. वॉट क्लॅरिफिकेशन यू हॅव?
See, these are all wild allegations. Benefit आसा तो एकूच गांवच्या लोकांक फिशरमॅन कम्युनिटी. Olencio works to the benefit of everybody, not of single person. So this has to be vetted in this people's head that don't make wild allegations simply. Don't divert the issue. Let us talk about the issue. If you solve it or we solve it, no issue. But solve the issue.
Your
Simple.
message to them, including MLA and everybody, फायटिंग
एब्सोल्युटली MLA म्हाका केन्नाय जाय आपय इश्यू सॉल्व करपाक आमी तुका सगळे गायडन्स दिता सगळे पेपर दिता बरोवपाक दिता सगळे दिता बट इश्यू बाबा सॉल्व करा बिकॉज वी हॅव सीन wherever there is issue there is no voice of the MLA be it whichever issue in Kortali constituency facing.
सो हे आसा ऑलंचियो सिमॉयस तेंच्यांनी आपले बाजू धरलेले आसा. मेनी पीपल आस्क्ड मी to take interview of Olencio because खूप दिस I remember he was somewhere out when I had contacted him, so he was also not there. Olencio clarify केलेला असा that he is there for the environment. If anybody wants his support, whether even from opposition ruling anybody, he is there to support them for good cause. Hi Mare.
Absolutely.
And he will remain along with the people. आणि हे जे कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी चलता तेंका कितें बंद करपाक कितें तरी उपाय असतो
ना बॉन पळय इफ यू डोंट गेट मॅन्युप्युलेटेड टू ऑटोमॅटिक इश्यूचेर उलयतलो लेट्स नॉट गेट मॅन्युप्युलेटेड लेट्स नॉट गेट डायवर्टेड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट the issue. I know Elliston also is coming from the fishing community and our family has worked for the fishing community for more than 40 years and we will continue to work. So let us solve the issue. Don't get manipulated. Don't make politics.
आता दोन ग्रुप झालेले असा एक एलएसटीनोचो ग्रुप झाला त्यांचा एक रजिस्टर्ड झाला एक असोसिएशन तुमचो एक जीआरई असा तुका दिसता एक धाकटेशे गावान दोन दोन ग्रुप आता
GRE is not well south centric. GRE state centric. We welcome any new association and if their association need any help from us, we'll help them, guide them. But let's work for the interest of the fishing community, work in the interest of environment in a positive spirit.
Let's come together. That's the final saying, final word what Olencio Simoes said. So thank you very much viewers for watching the video till now. Keep watching Goa News.